All right, guys, here we have it. We have the new JJ. This is their AI transitioning and translation headphones. They're wireless headphones here. I freaking love when we have cool products like this. You got music playback, hands-free calling, wireless and touch controls, AI assistant with instant translation, real-time transcription, and AI hands talking back to you. So that is super important. Look how nicely all these are packaged. Let's go ahead and get them open here so we can see exactly what we are working with. Hopefully we can get these set up here for you. That's how easy I do believe they are. Here is the case that you have right in the package. Next thing is going to be the charging cord. Super important. No brick with this, but you do have USB-C to USB-A, so keep that in mind. And then last but not least, in the very bottom of this, you will see the actual user manual telling you all about it from a pairing perspective and everything else. So you do have an account and an app that you can make on this, so we're going to be taking a look at that here in just a moment once we have reviewed the actual product itself. So let's go ahead and get into the headphones so we can see what we're working with. That's a sweet looking case right there. You're not going to miss that, right? That is pretty cool. On the back of it, you have your USB-C charging port. It's like a blue cobalt looking purplish silver color. That is sweet. Little button on the front. Okay, that's your pair button. And then you have your headphones here. These things are slick looking. Okay, look how cool these sweet things look. So singular headphones, and they're going to fit. Let's go ahead and see them fit over the ear. That is super slick. I don't know about you, but looking at me, you probably can't even see that I have these guys on. Let's go ahead and see the other one right here. It's got left and right, shows you exactly where to put them. So on it, it shows you exactly where you should put them, has a left and a right, so you're not going to be mixing it up, and it's going to be easy for you to make sure you are charging properly. Let's go ahead and see about the app itself. I'm curious how easy it is to download. So we're going to be going ahead and take a look on the iPhone here to make some downloads happen. So just so you know, I am going to the App Store. So we're going to take a look, and we are going to do Recolx, R-E-C-O-L-X is what I'm looking for. R-E-C-O-L-X. Boom. Okay, so this is going to be the app. Oh, and you have the website for app downloads. Let's do it that way to see how this works, because I'm curious. I love when we have QR codes to make happen. Just like that. Open in Chrome. So that's what pops up. You have the app stuff that pops up. So download in the App Store, Play Store, or the APK package. I'm not sure what that is. Let's go to the App Store with it and see what we can download. There is the Recolx app right there. So that's what you're going to be seeing. Let's go ahead and do Get. Double click to install. Bada boom, bada bang. Okay, while that's downloading, let's go ahead and see what we're supposed to do here. So put on the earbuds, place them on your ears, and rotate. So that's what you're going to do. So you're going to be putting them on your ears and rotating, just like so. We're going to connect via the app. So we're going to search for our devices. Okay, and allow Bluetooth. To find Bluetooth, we're going to allow it. We're going to allow send notifications and allow while using app. Got it? So it says intelligent speak to text. So using advanced speak recognition technology quickly converts recorded content into text, supporting multiple language, improving. AI writing optimization intelligent summary. Using the most advanced LLM model, it quickly summarizes context and extraction points in form that's sweet, and cloud sharing as well. So that's there. We're going to do a quick login. See if we can get logged into this guy. Just like so. All right. Logging in right there. So connect to Bluetooth. So what we have to do is go ahead and connect to Bluetooth. So there's a button up top. It's going through the whole app itself. As we go through here, it's going to go through the whole app. And looks like that. We have the connection of the device right there. We're going to hit connect. That's how super simple that was. That's cool. And please connect Bluetooth headset to the system first. Confirm. So we are going to go down and find Bluetooth. We're going to look for the device. It's going to pop up here in my devices. Okay. So you do have different buttons, power on, power off. You have your pairing and connection, left, right, play, pause, and everything. So that makes it super simple. Very easy product right there. This is one interesting case, super slick. I will say that. Very slick case on this. Kind of digging it. Let's go ahead and take these off while we are pairing everything. And I can see the lights flashing on it. So they easily go ahead and snap in here just like so. And we have our pair button on the bottom. And it's our charging, showing that it's charging up. Easy peasy. Okay. Let's go ahead and open these guys up. Now we're just following the directions, and that's important. Sometimes when we skip directions, we're not able to do this. We got the app on without any problems. And we're finding our Bluetooth device. And there you have it. All right. So now we've connected. I heard it just beep up there, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead back to the Reclocks app. We got our connection happening right here. Got it. And let's go live transcription. Let's see. So what we can do is live transcription, show you guys this on the fly. All right, so we're going to do a quick overview of these. So you got them in the ear. You can see that it is live transcribing right here. That is pretty sweet. I can pause everything if I want to and whatever I'm looking to do here. So we're looking through the notes. There's tons of notes on this page for these. These are extremely comfortable. Not noise canceling. They're able to hear everything. You're able to hear stuff out. I'm not getting any noise canceling from them. That's not a feature. But the AI recognition and live analysis, so you do have a beta of a live analysis. Let's see if we can turn that on and see if it works here. Yeah, so look at that. It's already on live, pulling everything that's being said. That is super cool. So let's go ahead and pause this right here. Ending it. And let's see if we can find where that was. Okay, here it goes. So there is a transcript right there. So transcription, and it gives a template, and then you can see the transcription just like that, and it's going to pop up. It'll play the event. I can hear it. Sounds really good in the headphones, though. That's super sweet. So it's pulling the transcription up. Let's go ahead and see how long this takes for you guys. You can fast forward. You can go back. You can change the speed. You can make all kinds of adjustments. A summarization. So it will summarize and do a general template and everything. Guys, this is pretty sweet. This is pretty sweet. So these are the AI-powered smart voice recorder headphones. Guys, this is super cool. You definitely got to check these out. If you're looking for the AI transcription, this is absolutely the way to go. Check it out.